Welcome to our comprehensive guide on selling your home with Home Court Real Estate. My goal with this video is to walk you through a proven marketing plan designed to get your property sold efficiently and for the best possible price. This is especially for homeowners who are looking to sell their property but might be unsure about the best strategies to use. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved in a successful home sale, giving you the confidence and knowledge to navigate the market effectively. We'll cover everything from preparing your home for sale to final negotiations, ensuring you're well equipped for every stage of the process. This personal marketing plan is designed with one primary goal in mind: to sell your home efficiently and for the best possible price. We achieve this by creating maximum exposure and attracting the right buyers looking to buy specifically in your neighborhood. Our purpose is simple: to sell your home swiftly and for its maximum value. We leverage strategic marketing to attract the perfect buyers, ensuring a smooth and profitable sale. Our strategy is built on two key pillars: maximizing your home's appeal through expert staging and showcasing it to the widest possible audience through professional online and offline promotion. The foundation of a successful sale begins even before your home hits the market. Pre-listing preparation is crucial for making a strong first impression. Staging and decluttering are vital. A clean, organized, and beautifully staged home allows buyers to envision themselves living there, significantly increasing appeal. Our use of the latest AI technology allows us to do this virtually and quickly. Once your home is ready, we bring in the professionals. High-quality photography and engaging virtual tours are non-negotiable in today's market. They capture buyer attention and create an immersive experience. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is paramount. We'll make sure your home is seen by thousands of potential buyers. Your listing will be featured on all major real estate websites, ensuring maximum visibility to active buyers. Think Zillow, Realtor.com, StreetEasy, and more. Beyond standard listings, we leverage social media promotion and targeted ads to reach potential buyers who might not even be actively searching yet. This expands our reach exponentially. While digital is king, traditional marketing still plays a crucial role in reaching local buyers and generating buzz. Open houses and private showings allow potential buyers to experience your home firsthand. We'll strategically schedule these to maximize attendance and interest. Local advertising, including professional signage and direct mail, ensures that your home is noticed by those in the neighborhood and nearby communities. Setting the right price is critical. Too high and you deter buyers. Too low and you leave money on the table. Our strategy is data-driven. We conduct a thorough market analysis, reviewing comparable sales in your area to determine the optimal listing price. This ensures your home is competitive and attractive. We continuously monitor market feedback and buyer interest. If needed, we'll strategically adjust the price to ensure your home remains appealing and generates offers. Once offers come in, the negotiation and closing phase begins. This is where expert guidance is invaluable. We'll guide you through handling offers and counteroffers, ensuring you understand each proposal and make informed decisions that align with your goals. Navigating inspections and appraisals can be complex. We'll be there every step of the way to ensure a smooth process and protect your interests. So, there you have it, our comprehensive marketing plan to sell your home effectively and for the best price. By following this plan, you benefit from maximum exposure, professional presentation, strategic pricing, and expert negotiation, leading to a successful and stress-free sale. Ready to take the next step? Contact me today for a free consultation. I'm here to answer all your questions and help you get your home sold. All of the real estate professionals at Home Court Real Estate are local experts in New York City, Long Island, and surrounding markets.